Vellum versus Atticus. Choosing the right book writing software can completely change how you create and format your book without struggling with complicated tools. Both Vellum and Atticus offer unique approaches to streamline your writing and publishing process. Vellum and Atticus are popular book writing tools designed to help authors format and publish their work. The core difference lies in Vellum's Mac-only, design-focused approach versus Atticus's cross-platform, all-in-one writing and formatting solution. Vellum is a Mac-exclusive software focused on producing beautifully formatted ebooks and print books. It works by importing your manuscript and providing a range of elegant templates and styles that automatically adjust to different devices. Its strengths lie in its intuitive interface, professional quality output, and seamless export options for Amazon Kindle, Apple Books, and others. Vellum excels at creating visually appealing layouts with minimal effort, making it ideal for authors who prioritize design and ease of formatting. However, it requires a Mac and doesn't offer writing tools. It's strictly for formatting and publishing. This limitation means authors need to prepare their manuscript elsewhere before importing. Vellum suits authors who want a polished final product and already have their manuscript ready, especially those invested in Apple's ecosystem. Atticus is a versatile cross-platform book writing and formatting software accessible through web browsers and desktop apps. It combines writing, editing, and formatting in one place, allowing authors to draft their manuscript and prepare it for publication without switching tools. Atticus offers customizable templates, drag-and-drop chapter organization, and export options for ebooks and print formats. Its strength is the all-in-one workflow and accessibility on Windows, Mac, and Linux, making it suitable for a wide range of users. While its design options are not as polished as Vellum's, Atticus provides more flexibility in writing and structuring your book. It also features collaboration tools and ongoing updates. Atticus is ideal for authors seeking an integrated writing and formatting platform with broad compatibility and a focus on productivity. When comparing Vellum and Atticus, consider your workflow and device preferences. Vellum offers superior design quality and simplicity, but is limited to Mac users and focuses solely on formatting. If you already have a completed manuscript and want a professional layout quickly, Vellum delivers outstanding results. Atticus, on the other hand, supports writing and formatting in one platform across multiple operating systems. This makes it better for authors who want to draft, edit, and format without switching software. While Atticus's design options aren't as refined, its flexibility and accessibility are major advantages. For collaborative projects or users outside the Apple ecosystem, Atticus provides a comprehensive solution. The trade-off is between Vellum's polished output and Atticus's all-in-one versatility. Choose Vellum if you value elegant, professional formatting and work exclusively on a Mac with a ready manuscript. Opt for Atticus if you want an all-in-one writing and formatting platform that works on any device and supports collaboration. It's perfect for authors seeking flexibility and an integrated workflow to manage their entire book creation process with ease.